Hey there, welcome to How-FixIT. Today, I have an important video for you, the iPhone back glass cover replacement guide. If the back glass is cracked or damaged, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to replace the back glass on your iPhone 15 Pro. Before we start disassembling, let me show you the tools you'll need. Screwdriver set, plastic pry tools, suction cup, tweezers, screen disassembly tool, adhesive sealant tape. I have included links to all the tools and spare parts in the video description below. So, let's get started. Turn off your iPhone and proceed to remove the 2 screws located near the charging port. Use a hairdryer to heat the back glass surface for 2 minutes. Fix the suction cup and pull it up. Insert the blade edge into the thin gap between the back glass and the chassis. From this position, gradually begin to separate the back glass. Slowly open the back glass with extreme caution, because the back glass is still connected to the main board. Remove the screws securing the charging coil connector cover. You can now remove the back glass cover. In the video description below, I've included the link where you can purchase a replacement back cover assembly with a wireless charging coil for your iPhone. Now that it's all back together, let's test your iPhone to ensure everything is functioning. Check the replaced module to ensure it functions correctly. If everything works fine, let's proceed with the final step of assembly and restoring water protection. Remove old adhesive tape from your iPhone's case. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to remove any remaining smaller bits of adhesive. Carefully align the edge of the adhesive tape with the iPhone case. Use a spudger to press all the adhesive into place and around the entire perimeter of your iPhone. Grab the small pull tab and peel the front liner from the adhesive. Press the back glass cover around the entire perimeter to secure its position. Afterward, tighten the last 2 screws located near the charging port. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Well done, the repair is now complete. You were on How-FixIT, and see you again next time.